Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here. I'm Megan, and this is gonna be a really fun video because I love unboxing videos, and I know y'all do too. So this is an unboxing and first look at Petunia Pickle Bottom's brand new bag called the Pivot Pack. Now, I have not seen this bag in person, and I don't think a bunch of you have either because it's literally, like I said, brand new. And so I thought this would be a great opportunity to give you a first look, cover some of the basics of the bag, features, organizations, all of that good stuff. So let's get to it. I have my scissors. I have my box. I have a relatively clean home and quiet kids, so this is the perfect time to open this up without stabbing myself in the face. Okay, off the bat, here, I'll scoot over a little bit. This looks really, really pretty. I forgot that the hardware is rose gold. I don't have a single bag with rose gold hardware. I think this is really, really exciting. So let's get the bag out and I can show you up close. Okay, I love that Petunia Pickle Bottom bags are always shipped in plastic. I mean, dust bags are really nice, but this makes me feel like even if the box got broken, that the bag would be safe and protected. Okay, so now that the bag is out of plastic, we're gonna take off all of these little tags. I would rip them because that's kind of how I roll, but that seems like a bad idea. So let me get some scissors. Okay, this seems like a much better way to do this. My husband always makes fun of me because I bite off tags, which seems like the even worse idea, but today we're gonna be smart and use scissors like an adult. Plastic. I have stuff in my hair. It's fine. Okay, now that we have all of that packaging and protective material off, I'm just gonna dive in. Let's go around the outside of the bag. So here on this side is a pocket. This is a really popular style pocket on a lot of Petunia Pickle Bottom bags. I have the Access and the Meta backpack, and they both have a pocket really similar to this. It's a bottle pocket. It is insulated on the inside. It fits a standard size water bottle or like smaller sippy cup. Okay, turning the bag around, you can see that this is the tote style strap, which can be pulled up or can simply be pulled down, and then these are your backpack straps, and then whoop, just pulls up like that, which is just super simple and easy to use. Here at the top are two D-rings, which is perfect for hanging on your stroller, which I know so many of us love to do. And then behind this strap here, not quite behind, to the side of, is another zipper pocket. This one is fleece lined, perfect for your phone, right there at the back. And then on this side is another bottle pocket. This one is elastic at the top, and I don't think this one is insulated, but it is lined on the inside in case of spills. Now, this material here is what most of my Petunia Pickle Bottoms have felt like, kind of that coated canvas, which I'm really used to and love on a Petunia Pickle Bottom bag. This material, however, on the front is different. It kind of looks like a linen material. It isn't quite as coated, but it does feel really wipeable still. And moving on to this bottom exterior pocket that I'm really excited about. This one's gonna have paper in it. I love this kind of pocket on my Access backpack. It's why I chose to use that bag for Disneyland with my 3 kids. This one's a little bit more shallow, but would still be awesome for all those snacks. It is fully insulated, it's wipeable. Like, I literally love this kind of pocket. I haven't really seen anybody else do this kind of insulated bottom compartment, and I think Petunia Pickle Bottom's really smart to have done it. So closing that back up, we now just have on the front here, hanging down is a little key fob, and then this pocket opens up. Oh my gosh. First of all, more fun paper. And second of all, this is another insulated pocket. This bag is like your snack bag when you need all the things for the park or for Disney or for a day out. This is gonna be your go-to bag because everywhere is insulated basically and just like made to handle your daily life. This is the main compartment zipper. That was super smooth. It is the rose gold throughout. This is one of those bags where the zipper extends a little bit out past the corner of the bag. And then we have this really awesome interior. Okay, turning the bag up this way so you can see inside. This is a laptop style compartment. It is padded. It goes the full length of the bag. And then you can see, I think, that this, it's kind of sticking into the bag a little bit, is the bottle pocket that's insulated, and that's where your water bottle would fit into. And then on what I would consider the front wall, there's a Petunia Pickle Bottom signature wipes case, which is stored in a mesh pocket here. There is a second key fob inside. And then in this pocket, it's elastic. Again, so you have 2 mesh elastic pockets, and this is where your changing pad would go. And then what I really like is this bag opens really wide, and so you can see everything when you just open it up. Okay, I think that about covers it. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford, and don't forget to shop the Pivot Pack by Petunia Pickle Bottom. I'll also leave the shopping links in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford, and I will see you guys in my next video super duper soon. Bye guys.